Anyhow, before I mention that, I have to share a little joke with you, which is a reality. Yeah? See, my guys must have heard it. See, this guy who won the lottery. What? He won the lottery. He won millions of dollars. So his friends ask him, so what are you going to do now that you won all these millions of dollars? He said, I'm going to practice social distancing. You get that? Right, I mean, you got that? What? You see, COVID has that social distancing, right? He said, now that I've become a multi-millionaire, I'm going to practice social distancing. What do we learn from that joke? It's a joke, but it's a reality. You know why a lot of people practice? Forget about COVID social distancing. You know why a lot of people who think they become something in the world, they practice social distancing from everybody else? And Brother Dulal? They practice social distancing from their family, from their friends, from the community, because they're afraid to lose something. They're afraid to lose. When we practice social distancing in COVID, you're afraid to lose something. What are you afraid to lose? Your health. Because you might catch something from somebody else. Yeah. So, we live in a world where everybody, mask or COVID or no COVID, we practice social distancing. Because we're afraid to lose something, as Allah is saying, if you are successful in this world, you have no fear, you can't lose anything. Everything belongs to Allah. Allah will protect you and protect what you have. Now, I don't go on to say, I said don't practice social distancing with COVID. I'm not talking about COVID. I'm talking about when we think we have become this, then we all isolate ourselves because our family members will ask us for something. Or you get into a position, now the neighbors in the community will ask you for some help in your position. Or we got a lot of money, somebody will ask us for money, so let's stay by ourselves, stay by ourselves, stay by ourselves. That's the waswasa and the shaitan in our ears, social distancing, because shaitan, that's how he operates. Because you would lose what you have, and Allah is saying, La khawfun alayhim. No fear if you really have success. Because Allah will protect us and protect what we have. So much clear. Very deep. That's a little deep level of wisdom.